Asia is home to a diverse range of street foods, and it's challenging to pinpoint a single most popular street food across the entire continent. However, I can provide you with a list of some incredibly popular and beloved street foods found in various Asian countries. Let's dive in. 1. Pad Thai. Thailand. A stir-fried rice noodle dish with eggs, tofu, shrimp, bean sprouts, and peanuts, flavored with tamarind sauce and chili. 2. Ramen. Japan. A popular noodle soup dish with a rich broth, served with various toppings such as sliced pork, seaweed, soft-boiled eggs, and green onions. 3. Banh mi. Vietnam. A delicious sandwich with a crispy baguette filled with pickled vegetables, cilantro, chili peppers, pate, and various protein options like grilled pork, chicken, or tofu. 4. Satay. Indonesia. Skewered and grilled meat, typically chicken or beef, served with a flavorful peanut sauce and accompanied by rice cakes or sliced cucumber. 5. Momos. Nepal and Tibet. Dumplings filled with minced meat or vegetables, served with spicy dipping sauces. They are also popular in countries like India and Bhutan. 6. Gyoza. Japan. Japanese-style dumplings filled with ground meat and vegetables, pan-fried until crispy on one side and served with a tangy dipping sauce. 7. Pani Puri. India. Small crispy hollow puris filled with flavored water, tamarind chutney, potatoes, chickpeas, and spices. They are consumed in one bite, bursting with flavors. 8. Jjajangmyeon, South Korea. A noodle dish with thick black bean sauce, usually made with diced pork, onions, and various vegetables. 9. Char Kway Teow, Malaysia and Singapore. A stir-fried rice noodle dish with shrimp, Chinese sausage, bean sprouts, eggs, and soy sauce, often cooked over high heat for a smoky flavor. 10. Tandoori chicken. India. Marinated chicken cooked in a traditional clay oven, resulting in tender, smoky, and flavorful meat. These are just a few examples of the many fantastic street foods you can find across Asia. Each country has its own unique street food culture, offering a wide array of delicious options to explore. Until next time, keep tantalizing those taste buds.